Gigo.
Do you know what Gigo tree is? Gigo tree is a combination of all Gigo component systems. A. 4 cm block. B. 2 cm block. C. 1 cm block. D. XGO. E. Panel. F. Ultralight. H. Sprue frame. Most importantly, by using PEG parts, all system parts can be integrated together. This allows us to play from H1 to 99. Next, let's analyze this Gigo tree together. This is the overall appearance of the Gigo tree, starting from the most basic components, combining them all the way to the top. Let's start introducing from the bottom. First, we see the jumbo base grid. It can carry all Gigo blocks. In addition to carrying blocks, it can also be used for green mech competitions or for some wall decorations. E-block panel. The frame system is usually used in the furniture series or in the wind power generation of the green energy series. The 1 cm block system is connected vertically. Here it is fixed as our base. Looking further up, this is our 4 cm block system. The product series that usually uses this system is our Junior Engineer, so it has some gears and also some decorative parts. Next, we see here, this is our 2 cm block system. Between the 2 cm block and 4 cm block systems, we have a dedicated adapter. In the 2 cm block system, there are some wheels, which can also be connected to the motor box. XGO. The XGO system has dedicated connectors, but it can also be directly connected through the middle slots. The 1 cm block system can be directly connected to the 2 cm block or connected using a PEG part. It is usually used in steam learning products, such as our solar power, wind power, or green energy products. It can even extend to some electronic components, such as the microbit smart controller or ultrasonic sensor. Finally, we see ultralight system at the top. The ultralight system is used in our airplanes or toys that often glide. This is the whole Gigo tree. Do you know the Gigo tree now? Through these rich components, we incorporate them into STEAM courses, allowing these various teaching aids to develop many fun games. By providing these games to children, we let children learn happily. Creativity begins here. So, are you ready to play with Gigo today?